You guys will like this. I hope so. This is my trs-80 I found 2 years ago. It was I could have sworn it was rained on, and it works. This thing actually runs. Now I'm going to show you the interior of it before I boot it up. Now set this down. As you can see, it's got all the chips, all the capacitors. Nothing's blown. Oh, it's a bit dusty. It's been sitting down in my basement for 3 years. Count it, 3 years. And it still runs amazing. It survived many floods. Previous owner didn't take care of this very good, but it still works. I'm going to show it booting up.
With the 25,000. They're right, you're wrong. India is the right answer.
Well, what do you know? It's Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? Okay, back to the topic.
25.
Here you can see that. Now, one of the main problems with this was you had to use more complicated commands than DOS. I used to be a real computer freak. And this is what happens when you fuck up. There. But it's still awesome. And I'm not going to get rid of it unless if someone's willing to buy it. The price would be like, I don't know how much. I don't know how much these things would run nowadays. But, yeah, they're pretty cool. So, a message from the computer.